Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to learn about layers of Earth's atmosphere.
The atmosphere of Earth is nothing but layer of gases and commonly known as air that surrounds the planet Earth and retained by Earth's gravity. As we can see, there are many layers in the atmosphere. Based on the characteristics such as temperature and composition, the atmosphere can be divided into further layers, that is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. As we can see, the first layer, that is the lowest layer from the surface, is troposphere, which is about 12 km from Earth's surface. Troposphere is the lowest and thinnest layer, although it is the smallest layer among the other layers, and this is very important for living things. We can consider this as an umbrella like coat of air which has stable rain, air, wind and clouds. Temperature decreases in this layer with the decrease in altitude. There is a boundary between troposphere and stratosphere. As we can see here, this is the first layer, that is troposphere, and second is stratosphere. There is a boundary between two layers which is called as tropopause. Second layer of the atmosphere is stratosphere. Stratosphere extends from about 10 km to 50 km above the ground. It is less dense. Height of this layer keeps changing according to seasons. As temperature increases with the altitude, almost no weather occurs in this region, as we just saw in the troposphere that there was occurrence of weather. So there is no weather occurrence in stratosphere. This contains high level of ozone layer. In this picture, we can clearly see that first layer is troposphere. In stratosphere, this ozone layer is present. Ozone layer is very important as ozone layer absorbs the harmful ultraviolet radiations which radiated from sun. Hence, the temperature of ozone layer increases. This layer protects life on Earth. Hence, ozone layer is called as protective umbrella of Earth. So today we just saw two layers of the atmosphere. First is troposphere and stratosphere.